Hey guys, it's Ryan with AIinsidertips.com. In this quick video, I'm going to show you a secret ChatGPT prompt that you can use to produce better content and also better output in general. Now, I think one of the biggest mistakes that I've seen people do, and I've fallen into this boat before, is they just use these huge generic blocks of 2-3 paragraphs to write, let's say, blog posts or articles, and they don't actually prompt the tool. So they just do one giant prompt, let it rip, it creates a big blog post, copy and paste onto your website, and you just go with the flow. And I think that's a big mistake, and I'm about to explain why. So in this example, I am using ChatGPT Plus with the GPT-4 language model, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write me a blog post. So I'm going to say, hey ChatGPT, can you write me an SEO optimized blog post if I provide you with a primary keyword? And guys, here is the secret sauce. Do you understand? So I'm going to ask, do you understand? And by asking ChatGPT, do you understand, you are going to prompt this tool up and tailor it to give you the specific outputs that you are looking for instead of just one-off asking it in a huge prompts like most people do. So here I'm going to give it a primary keyword. We'll just do best AI copywriting tools, and then other information like it asks here about specific points or guidelines. I'm going to create some guidelines. So what I'm going to do is say use a minimum of, we'll say 1,000 words, use FAQs. I'm also going to say here use a serious writing tone. Use H2s and H3s in your output. And we'll start there for now. I would add other things if I was actually trying to, do a blog post to rank on my website. But for this example, I'm just going to leave this as is. And again, let's add the secret sauce here at the end. Do you understand? And I'm going to click enter. And then here it says, yes, I understand. So as I prompted it up, now it's going to produce me hopefully a better blog post than if I were to just do a one-off giant prompt. So I'm just going to wait here and I'm going to come back to when this article is completed. All right, and as you'll see, it did produce me with a blog post, and for the most part, it did do what I asked in terms of the guidelines. However, you will notice at the end, it adds this sentence here. I hope this fulfills your requirements. You can further tailor the content as per your specific needs or add more details to the tools if required. So let's say now for some reason, I want more FAQs or I want more tools instead of the 3 that it was given here. So I'm going to say, can you add, let's say 3 more AI copywriting tools in your output? And can you also add, let's say, 3 more FAQs? Again, do you understand? And then let's see here what it provides me with when I say, do you understand? So here we go. It says, absolutely, I understand. I'll add 3 more AI copywriting tools to the list and include 3 additional FAQs. So here we go. As you'll see, it added 3 more copywriting tools to the list like I asked, and it also added 3 more FAQs. So guys, the overall point here is by adding this prompt, do you understand, you will likely get better outputs from ChatGPT, regardless if it's just blog posts or whatever you are asking it to do. The more you use terms like do you understand, you will more than likely get better outputs. Now, guys, I am going to say I personally do not use ChatGPT for long-form content when it comes to blog posts and articles. For that, I use a tool called SEOwriting.ai. And as you'll see on my website, if I click on the blog, all of these blog posts here were produced in about 10 minutes using SEOwriting.ai. And if I click, one article as an example, you'll see this output here that SEO Writing AI did. And if we go back to, let's say ChatGPT, not even close to what the output was, in this example. So guys, personally, I like SEOwriting.ai as my blog post tool. I will leave a link to this in the description below. I believe it's about $12 per month, maybe $15. But great tool. I will leave a link in the description. That does help support my channel, but I personally use this for content creation. And I do have another video on this that I will leave a link in the description below if you are interested. So guys, that's it. That is a quick tip for better prompting ChatGPT with Do You Understand to produce better outputs. Again, this is Ryan with AI Insider Tips. I appreciate you guys watching this quick video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below. I hope you guys have a great day.